I'm gonna be making the Mars Research Shuttle from Lego City. So bag number one will be this vehicle here. So first let's make the astronaut. Need her body, her head, and her legs. And then her helmet, and a gold visor. Just like that. It doesn't lift up. This is it. We can put her onto the side. Now we're gonna need a brown 2x4 and a brown flat piece. And this brown piece here. There we go. Now we gotta use sticker number 7 on the flat piece here. Here we go. And now we need, looks like some rocks. Here it is, like a rock sample. There should be 2 of them. Oh, hiding in the wheel. Just like that. A rock sample. Doesn't really stay open. Okay. We're gonna make like the little robot, flying robot. We need this white square with the nubs on 5 sides and this blue rod. And we need 2 of these white pieces that has the clip, and you put that on the side. Now we need a gold clip here on the one side, and then a gold cone shape on the opposite side of the gold clip. Now we use these little like handlebars. Oops, wrong way. Oh, it's stuck. You want it so that it curves out from the body. Put one on each side on the white grips or clips. And then this red like screen will go on the gold clip. Could go this way. Now we need to add a rotor to the top of the blue piece. And this looks like a flying robot thing. So now let's take this white piece here, and we need a door. We'll just get this later. I need a white door or a clear door. Here it is. Clip it on the bottom. That's cutouts. Now we take these gray pieces here and you put them on top. But we can put these orange circular pieces on the bottom too, of the gray pieces. So it looks like that. And then this cone will go on top. And for the ends of this gray piece, we're going to put these black circle pieces on them. It's flat on the top. Put these on each corner. Put this aside. This long black piece is a 2x8, and then 2 orange 2x4s will go on top of it. Flip it over. We need this black piece with the 2 rods at the end of it. On one side on the bottom, all the way to the end. We need a white 1x2 right next to it, and then another one of these black pieces of rods right next to the white piece. And another white piece, 1x2. And one more of these black pieces. Now we can flip it back over. We need a white square, 2x2. Not at the end. Leave a little space right here for this black piece with a little stick at the end of it. And now we need this white disc. I'm going to put it the other way. It's a square, it doesn't matter, but I just want to see if I can put it different direction. There you go. I just wanted this little dot to be facing the other way. It doesn't matter. This piece here in the front. This white pentagon will go towards the back. And then this curved white piece will go in the front. Now for this part in the front right here, we need 4 of these blue circles that's flat. The next part will be this white disc and these 2 smaller black discs. It goes one on each side. I don't know how to put them on. Oh, here we go. Put it across from each other. Just like that. And then on the top, we need another black piece with a little stick. And this gray piece with a U shape here on the bottom. And then this white piece. We'll go right here. The black stick thing's up here still, so make sure you put it this direction. And then another one of those gray clips with a U shape on top of this white piece. And now we need this white piece here. Looks like a staircase, and it goes on top with sticker number 1 on it. So you put this the right direction. There's a piece of dust on it. There we go. Looks good enough. Put this piece on this circle disc here. Clips right in. And I'm going to take this gray, like half of a claw, and one of these gray rods. Stick the other half in the gray rod, and now we have a little claw. See, maybe it's in here. Looks like a little rubber band, and looks like we're banding this claw closed. Oh, so I can have so I can spring back. Stick this big orange rod on the bottom, and this gray one with the little ball at the end in the orange rod. Now we need this gray piece with a ball at one end and a U shape on the other. Clip it together and put a gray flat piece on the top. And stick it in here in this gray piece. Now we need this black piece that has nubs on 4 sides. And this gray piece with a ball sticking out. Just like that. And this red rod into here. And then put this in this other clip. Now we need this black flat piece. And I gotta put a sticker on it, so sticker number 2. There you go. And then put it on top of this gray piece and hook it in. And that goes on this black stick. Just like that. For solar power. Now I can put the wheels on. Take the wheel and the rims. There are 6 of them. And then we just put them in. So it looks like a little rover. And we got some extra pieces here. I'll just put these to the side for now. Now we're gonna use, I'm gonna put these on the side. What kind of rows? Put these on the side and then use the next instruction sheet with packet number 2. And this part will be, we'll be making part of the spaceship. So first we're gonna need 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 by 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This gray piece here. And 2 of these gray triangular pieces. 1 at each end. So it sits like this. And this gray piece looks like a couch. Goes next to it. Make sure the opening is facing the end piece. And same with the other side. Now we need this black piece here in the middle. Make it flat against the back. And then this long black piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, it's a gray piece. This gray piece here. Put on the bottom, in the middle. Just like this. And now we need 3 of these black pieces now to line up in the middle. Just like that. So 1, 2, and 3. There's gonna be a little leftover. Now we flip it over and take these gray pieces again and put them oh, I skipped a step. We need these 1 by 6 to go on the sides. So we need 4 of them. Okay, now we can flip it back over. Now we can put these gray piece in the middle. And put it on the last set, the last row. So it sticks out. We're gonna need one of this one, and then there's gonna be another one that's facing the other direction. Here we go. And 2 orange circles. Put one on the top. Make sure it's the one that has the flat facing the inside. So put it one away from the edge so that you can put one of the orange circles there, and do the same with the other side. And orange circle or circular piece. Now we need a wing. We want the wing that so this 90-degree angle would be towards the back. Oh, mine's scratched. Oh well. And then the same for the other side. Just like that. Now we need 2 of these black pieces. Now is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 by 10. And it will go. Where does it go? Oh, in the back. So right now it's only going to be being connected by this small roll right here. And we need this red square with a cross in the middle, a plus sign in the middle, and 2 of these ones. So put it so that it overlaps the black piece and this gray piece. There's an angle pointing outwards. A red piece in the middle, and another one of the gray pieces. Just like that. Now we need this yellow piece with a hole in the middle that goes in front of the red. And 2 more of these gray pieces here. Line them up, one on the red and one on the gray. Now we need 2 of these white pieces here, and make sure the 90 degree is towards the inside, just like this. Make it go up all the way to the yellow. So again, the 90 degree towards the inside and up all the way to the yellow block. Just like that. And now we need 2 of these white pieces here now. And you want it so the flat is against the white. So make sure it's flat up against this white piece here. So the angled part will be on the outside. Now we need to put 2 orange 1x4s up to the yellow piece on the white. And one on the other side too. Just like that. And we need 2 of these black pieces that has like a little notch, and we need those on top of this white piece next to the orange, with the notch facing the outer side. Just like that. Can you see the notch? It's on the farther out the outside. And I need this long gray piece to go on top of the orange piece. And now we need a white block. Let's see if I have the white block. It's pretty kind of tall, and it goes in the middle. Just like this, and it sticks up a little. And then this big, this black piece is taller. It's bigger than the other ones, and it's a 2x6. And you put that on top of this white piece in the yellow. Just like this. Now for this side of the spaceship, we need the black piece with a little notch again, and have the notch face towards the outside again. And another one of these gray pieces on top of the orange. And now we need 2 of these orange pieces. Looks like a Z. It goes on the inside. one on each side. Now we need 4 more. So it'll be 3 on each side total. For now. And then this blue piece, this flat blue piece in the middle. And then this blue with the flat side facing the front. And then we need this blue grate, a great looking blue piece right behind it. Just like that. Now we need 2 of these white bricks, taller ones, 2 by 3, up to this gray piece here, 1 on each side. Now we need this white piece that has a knob and a claw or grip, and have the clip towards the outside. Now we need 2 blue 1x2s. Put them on the end, towards the inside, because on the outside we're going to need this white grate. So have that towards the outside. And then 4 of these white pieces with a clip and a knob. And the knob towards the outside again. So 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Just like that. And now 2 of these 1x4 orange pieces up here by where that orange disc is, or orange circular piece. And 2 white grates on top of the orange, 1 on each side. Just like that. And put this aside for now. You're gonna need this. Oh, this piece is kind of scratched up too. It's okay. This piece here with a blue 1x4 put on the back. And a blue grate in the middle. And then these blue pieces will go right next to a blue grate. Make sure the angle is facing this way. The angle. And then put it on this gray piece. Just like that. Now we need these orange Z pieces again, and it connects from this black piece onto this blue piece here. like that. Now we need this tan color brick, 1x4, a little bit taller, in here on the orange piece. And then this blue 1x2. Oh no, in the middle of this tan piece. And then on the outside of the tan piece, we need this white knob plus clip, and clip towards the outside again, next to the blue piece. Now we need this white 1x6 to go right next to it, right next to what we just did, and then a 1x4 blue on this orange piece here. Now we need these white pieces here, and we're gonna put it on the ends towards the front. Make sure the flat is on the top. Now we need 2 of these blue, looks like little hammers, to go on top of the blue pieces in here. And then this blue look like a little bucket or triangle piece on the side, and you want the flat side to be facing the inside. So the flat side is towards the inside, and we need a flat, it's not flat, but a blue square, a 2x2 on top of this black piece towards the inside. Now we need 4 of these brown pieces that has these little like spikes, and we're gonna put them on top of these black pieces. So 2 on each side with the spikes facing outwards. And then a flat black piece on top of those brown pieces here. Now we're gonna make a little piece on the end. We need this circular disc piece. We're gonna need this rod. So put a rod inside the middle. Put it the way so that it stops when it comes out, because it has a little lip right here. And then we will attach this orange disc, this curved disc, and have the flat piece towards the inside, and clip it on just like that. And then that piece goes in this red cross. Okay, that's the end of book 2. Now it's time to go on to book 3. Oh, did I skip the step of putting the... Oh, I didn't put the pilot together. We need his top, his head. Oh, let's put his jetpack on first. Put his jetpack on, and then his head, his helmet, his visor. And these visors don't move up or down, they just stay in one spot. And then his legs. And I'm going to put him on the side again, next to the other girl astronaut. And now we can go to book number 3. It didn't look like I had any extra pieces from this bag, so book number 3. We start off with 2 of these orange flat pieces here, and it looks like they go in the middle next to the pieces with the right on top of the blue piece here. And then a white 1x6. Find that piece. There you go, 1x6. And 2 of these white pieces here. I'm not sure what they're called. They were like those gray ones, but these are white now. And next to this blue square here, put the white 1x6 next to it. And then next to the blue square will be these white pieces. And make sure the flat is towards the blue side, so the angle is facing out of the ship. And then we need 2 more of those white pieces now. And those go on top of the blue and the white. And the angle towards the outside again. Just like that. Now we need to make this yellow brick with a hole in the middle and this gray L shape. Put the yellow piece on the inside and then put it right in front of the blue. Now we need 2 of these curved white pieces. It connects to the yellow piece. So it's on the outside of the white piece to the top of the yellow. Just like that. Now we need the controls. There's going to be 2 of them. They already have the designs on them. And we need 2 of them. They look the same. So we just got to put them side by side. We put them up here by the blue pieces. And you put it right up to the clip. Just like that. And then 2 of these taller white pieces, the 1x4s, but the taller ones. 2 of those. 1 on each side. Now we need another L shape. We need this black. This black piece here. And make sure the horizontal lines are facing out. So the horizontal lines are on the outside. And we need this flat white piece, a flat white square. And now we gotta put a sticker on, sticker number 3. And the circle piece of the sticker is on the bottom right. Looks good enough. A little bit crooked, but off center, but it's okay. And that one will go on top of this black black piece with designs on it. Now we need these curved pieces again. Oh, this one goes in the middle. In the middle of the 2 dashboards, so that you can have this white curved piece sit on top of it. Here we go. So on the outside, and then so they can connect to the inside. Now we need this little white triangle piece with an angle towards the front. So it angles down towards the front. And 2 white grates. Now we need a 1x6 and a 1x2 white piece. And or 2 1x2s. So we want the longer piece, the 1x6 at the front of this white piece here. So you connect them together. And then put the 1x2 to cover the gap in between. Oh, there we go. Now we need 2 blue circle pieces that has knobs on them, and they go on the bottom on top of that 1x2 white pieces that we just put on. And then we need this white piece. Looks like a letter A. To go on the front. So it sits on those 4 knobs right here. And it fits in. Now we need a blue L-shaped piece. We need a clear rectangle. Goes on the top. Not the top, but the top of this flat piece on the L. And then we need a black piece that already has some designs on it. Let's see if I can find that piece quick. Hopefully I have it. Should be here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's not black, it's gray. And then have it so that the yellow dot is on the right side. And that goes in the middle. That's this white 1x6 that we put on earlier. Just like that. This small little arch goes over the blue piece. And then these staircase pieces will go over the blue and on top onto this white piece here. And same for the other side. Over the blue on top of the white. Just like that. Now we can put the cap on of the spaceship. And then the small trapezoid piece with 4 knobs on the top. The smaller piece towards the front, the bigger piece towards the back. Now it looks like we had to make some dock doors. So we need these round pieces. The top has some knobs and the bottom has the little, like, these little things right here to hook onto the clips that we put on earlier. So just clip it down, and then we're doing the left side first. So so 2 of them. That way they can open. And then 2 on the other side. Just clips right in. Just like that, so they can open and close. And then on the top where the knobs are, on those doors, we can put 2 white flat pieces on the front. And then 1 on each side. And then on the back, we will put the white grates. So now they open as one. Now we're going to work towards the back of their spaceship now. And this gray piece on the back. And then we're going to need 2 of these curved piece, this long piece here. And that goes from the back by the doors to the gray piece. Just like that. Now this area, we gotta use a flat square, a white flat square. Just like that. Now we gotta flip the spaceship over. And on the bottom, we want this little disc. It has knobs on one side and one side is like flat but it's curved. In the middle, on the back gray piece here. Just like this. And then put the spaceship aside. We need 4 of these gray pieces with the knobs on the bottom and the clips on the top. And then we take 1 set of wheels and we put it in the clip. And we need to make four of these. And then we put them on the bottom of the spaceship. So 1 will go in the front. Of the center gray piece. 1 will go on the back of the center gray piece. Right in front of the blue. And then 1 goes on each side of the back piece here. Now we can flip this over. And on these black pieces right here that was sticking up, we need 2 of these white pieces that has like these cutouts, and just put them in, pop it in, but make sure the knobs are on the outside, and same with the other side. Just pop it in and make sure the knobs are on the outside. Now for the tips of the wings, we're going to need 2 of these black pieces, 2x4s, that has a little 1x2 on the top. And then that goes on the tips of the wing. And same with the other side, on the tip of the wing. So it looks like this. And then these black curved pieces, these arches, will go on top of that piece that we just had on the tip. So 1 on each side. There we go. So now it has a little arch to it. Now we're going to make another attachment to the tip of the wings. We need this white piece here. And a red piece with a little raised end. Put that in the back. Right here. Put it in the back. And then an orange flat piece goes on the back of the red. And on top we will use sticker number 6. Just trying to even it out more. That looks good enough. So that goes on with the orange part of the sticker facing up. That goes on the one side of the tip of the wing. I'm not sure how to, okay. Goes on one side of the wing here. Just like that. Doesn't like stay. Okay, here we go. Just don't press on the end of it, otherwise it'll pop back up. And then the same thing for the other side. White piece. This red piece. Oh, I did this wrong. Okay, instead of putting it on the last part, put it in the whole thing. So I'm going to have to readjust this one quick. That's why it wasn't clipping in right. There we go. I'm just taking this whole thing apart. Okay, here we go. So it should be flat like this for the red piece, and then the orange piece goes on the back of it, so it's more flat. Now we need sticker number 6 again. Okay, and then looks good. And then the red or the orange part will be on the top side, so you can read the numbers. Just like that. Got the tips of the wings. Now we need this black piece and this gray piece with a stick on the end of it on the back of the black piece with a stick facing out, and a blue 1x2 on top of that gray piece, and then this white piece here with the 4 knobs on the top on the top back, and we clip them together. And then we need this black circle piece and this blue rod. It goes on the back with the thicker part right here. Push it in. This orange disc with a flat side towards the black piece, and connect it to the blue. And it spins a little. And you put it in the black stick, the gray stick, just like that, and it spins a little. Now we put it on to this white piece here. All the way up to the doors. Take a wing, and then one side face it this way with the angle down, and that side will be number 8 for the sticker. Just like that. Now the other side will be sticker number 9. Just like that. Looks good. Does it look right? Okay. And then that piece goes on top of these 4 knobs. Just like that. Now we gotta make another one of those. So this black piece here, this gray piece on the back, a blue 1x2 on top of the gray. And then this white piece here goes on top. Makes like a little pod. Now we need this black circle piece. The other way. Make sure it goes all the way in till it stops. This orange disc with the flat side towards the black. And then stick it in to this gray piece. And then put it onto this white piece here. All the way up towards the door. Just like that. And now another wing piece. Number 4 on one side. Gonna redo this. I don't like how it looks. So number 4 on one side. And then the other side will be number 3. Just like that. And then that goes on top of the other pod here. On the four knobs. And okay, so here's the spaceship. You can put the astronaut pilot in the front. And then open these doors. Put the other astronaut in here. In the back. And I don't know, these fit in. Okay, maybe they don't. But so here we go. Got this robot. A rock sample. I'm not sure what this is, and a rover. And that's the Lego City Mars Research Shuttle.